Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and I'm super excited to share another product review, and most of you have requested me to do a review on this product, so I thought why not try on myself first and then give you an honest and a genuine feedback kind of a thing. So I tried, tested, watched it, everything I did, and I thought of giving you a review on this product because this product is really good. So I recently bought a makeup brush set from Amazon.in. This brush set is available also on eBay. I'm not sure, but I will find the link and leave it in the description box for you all to check. But it is definitely available at Amazon.in and it retails for $5.95 and it's a free shipping. So let me just talk a little more about this brush set and let's just get started with the video. So firstly, the brush comes in this kind of a packaging which is a tin box, and it's really travel friendly, and even you can gift it to somebody who is just gonna start with makeup, like a beginner. So I personally use these brushes and I really like the quality, and I was little worried when I wash, what if the brush loosen it up or something, but thankfully nothing like that happens. So I thought to just give you a little more detail about the brushes, and even you can buy these brushes if you are starting up with makeup or something, you can definitely try these brushes. So the brush comes in this kind of a polythene, plastic packaging, which I already removed for all the brushes to show you. So the entire brush comes in this kind of a plastic covering, which I really like it, and it comes in a set of 12 brushes. I have used a couple of brushes from this and a foundation brush also. So this is how the brushes looks like, and I really like the eyebrow filler brush, which is really thin, and it you can easily fill in your eyebrows. And I've already used the foundation brush, which actually blends my foundation really evenly and spreads nicely. And I've also used the eyeshadow brush. Let me just show you. So I have used this eyeshadow brush and it is really nice, and the brush bristles are really good. There's no fallouts from this, so it's a thumbs up. And I think these brushes are really affordable and easily available online, and even if it's a very good option for gifting purpose. So my take on these brushes would be, I would highly recommend anyone who's starting off with basic makeup and wants to have a pro makeup brush set with them. I would definitely recommend this, and this is really good quality brushes. So it's available online, you can buy them at Amazon, eBay, and it's really reasonable. So before I even say bye to you all, I wanted to share, tell you guys that I have a major haul coming up for you all, and I'm super excited to try all the cosmetics. This is the first time I'm going to try. It's going to be a new brand and a first impression for me. So I will share all the details once I received all the packages. So I'm super excited to share, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care.